Let's solve another problem on number-based mathematics. Let's solve conversion again on number-based mathematics. Let's convert. And the question is, convert 42 in base 5 to a base 3 numeral. Convert 42 in base 5 to a base 3 numeral, which means convert 42 in base 5 to base 3. I want us to get this fact. I want us to know this fact before we start the conversion. If we want to convert any number from a base to another base, which is not base 10, we will first of all cross base 10 before we get to that new base. What I mean is this: if you want to convert a number to another base, which is not base 10, we first of all convert that number first to base 10, then we now get to the required base.
For example,
now we have to convert this 42 that is in base 5 to base 3. What we do then is that we first of all convert this 42 to base 10. Then from base 10 we now convert it to base 3. First of all, convert it to base 10. Let's go. Okay, that's our solution as user. Solution. Okay, what are we asked to do? Convert 42 base 5 to base 3. So we carry down this number down. We carry the number down, write it 42 base 5 to base 3. Okay, now start to convert it first to base 10. And how do we do it? You start, we expand this number in the power of its base, which is base 5. We expand it in power of base 5. Thereby we have converted it to base 10. So we start. I start with 4. Say 4. I want to expand it now. I say 4 times 5. I'm spending it now in the power of its base, plus 2 times 5, which is the base. I will assign powers to the base. I'll start with this 5 and I'll start with 0. 0 in this 5, come to this 5, 1. Okay, I continue. I begin to evaluate. I write down this 4 times 5 raised to the power 1 is still 5. So I write 5. Put the plus. Come to 2. Write the 2 times 5 raised to the power 0 is 1. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So it will be 2 times 1. Okay, I continue. Okay, finally I multiply out, and I multiply out. I have 4 times 5 will give me 20. Put my plus. 2 times 1 give me 2. So what is my final answer? Final answer is equals to. Let me write it in the next line. 20 plus 2, which gives me equals to 22. Equals to 22. In base what? In base 10. It's now in base 10. I can leave it like this because any number without base is assumed to be in base 10. If I like, I write my base 10. Put the base 10. Now, first of all, I succeeded in converting this 42 in base 5 to a number in base 10, which is 22. Now I'll go further to convert it now to base 3. To convert it now to a base 3 numeral, to base 3.
Let's solve it this side.
There is another color of pen here. Okay. All right. The question says convert 42 base 5 to a base 3 numeral. But first of all, converted it to base 10 and give us 22. Let's convert it now to base 3, which is the required base. I start. I want to convert it now to base 3. What do we do now? I'll carry this 22 and write it here. I'll write it here. 22. This 22. Then to base what? To base 3. I will underline. To base 3. I will underline this one. To base what? To base 3. Okay, so I write 3 here. I write 3 here. Then I'll start the operation. I'll start. How do I do it? I'll use this 3 to divide this 22 until I get to 0. As I divide, as usual, I write down my answer. The whole number here.
The remainder by this side.
Finally, at last, the remainder column becomes our answer. I start. I say 3 divide 22. 3 divide 22 give me 7. Remainder what? Remainder 1. Remainder 1. Because 3 will divide 21. I come again. I'm trying to convert this 22, 10 to a number in base 3. So I'll use 3 again to divide. 3 divide 7. It will give me 2. Remainder what? Remainder still 1. Yes, 3 divides only 6. Come again, I'll still use 3. Though this number is not up to 3, but I'll still use 3.
Because I'm converting it to base 3.
I say 3 divide 2 because it's less than 3. It will not go 1. So I write 0. Remainder what this time? And remainder these 2.
Remainder the 2.
I write it. I'll reach to 0, so I'll stop.
I will now take the remainder column upward.
Like this. I'll take it upward like this. So I've taken it upward like this. And that is my answer. So the answer now becomes answer is equals to 2, okay, 1 again, the last one, in base what now? In base 3, in base 3, base this 3. It is now in base 3 because I divided it repeatedly
by 3.
That's why it is in base 3. So our final answer is 211 base 3.